Hi guys, thank you all so much for coming back and checking out this video. So today I have a quick and easy head story for you guys. It's perfect for those days where you already have twists in your hair, but you are not really feeling it, or you're over it, you want to do something else with your hair, or you put twists in your hair, you wanted to do a twist out, right? But you're like, I don't really want to do a twist out, you know, or you just want to simply change up your style. Either way, so you're gonna need headbands and you're going to need crochet braid. So this particular crochet braid that I'm gonna be using is called the Samba Twist, but of course you can use whatever crochet braid that you choose. So let's go straight into the video and let me show you guys how I do this style. You want to braid the first 2 rows around your face. You want to braid it small, kind of like this. And then for the rest of the hair, you can braid it medium size, just like that. So to start the hairstyle, you want to grab the twist that you braided, the smaller twist around your face. You want to grab them, separate them. I say maybe like the first 2 rows, you're gonna braid them small. Alright, so you're gonna tie the rest of the hair back. So now you have this. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I achieve this look on this side. You're going to grab a crochet braid, you know, come just like this, and it has the loop on the top. So you're gonna grab one. You're going to take your twist. Now with this part, I'm not gonna use a crochet hook, but if you want to, you can just use a crochet hook to attach this to your hair. Alright, so to begin this style, you want to unravel your twist. You're gonna unravel it and leave, say, a little bit on the bottom twisted. On the bottom, you want it to be 3-stranded braid. So you're gonna braid it 3 times and then you're gonna twist. So you're going to take your twist and you're going to unravel it all the way until you reach the part that is 3-stranded braid, right? You're gonna unravel the twist part and you're going to leave the part that is 3-stranded. You're going to loosen it up a little bit, pull it. You're going to take a crochet braid and you're gonna put it through the opening. Just like that. There's an opening right here. So I'm gonna take the crochet braid and I'm gonna put it right there. So now it looks like this. I'm gonna open the top part of the crochet braid and I'm going to put my hair through the crochet braid. Once I put my hair through it, I take the crochet and I pull it apart just like this. So now you attach your hair to the crochet. It's very secure. So we're gonna go ahead and unravel it. I'm gonna use 2 packs of crochet braiding hair. One of them is color 4 and the other is color 1. You're going to start by putting your hair in a bun. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a small tiny little bun. And then you're gonna secure with a scrunchie. Once you have your bun secure, you're going to take the crochet braid and you're going to attach it to the hair. So now you're going to grab some of the crochet braids and you're going to cover your bun with the hair. You want to cover your entire bun with the crochet hair. Once you cover your hair with the braid, you're gonna secure with a bobby pin. Alright, so after you secure with a bobby pin, you're gonna add the scrunchie around the bun. Now that we have the bun complete, we're gonna come and finish the front. I'm going to do flat twist across. So now that I'm at the end, I'm going to do 3-stranded braid going downwards. When you're braiding this part, you don't want it to be too tight. You want it to be loose. So just loosely braid it down. Don't make it tight. I'm going to tie it around 2 times. And now I'm going to cut it a little bit at the end. Alright, so I'm going to fluff this part a little bit. And then I'm going to secure with a bobby pin. I really like this for either protective styling or just changing up your look for a day. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.